In this video, we are going to show you how to add ebook products in Shopify. If you want to add ebooks to your Shopify page, it's very simple. All you need to do is, of course, log in, and then once you've signed into your Shopify account, look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be where your main menu is located, and you want to click on products, right? So once you are in your product page, you want to look towards your upper right corner of the screen. It is highlighted in black. It says add product. So we want to click on add product like so. And it's going to bring you to this profile that you can fill up just like any other product that you are actually selling on Shopify. So here, the good thing about Shopify is, for the most part, when you type in the product, it can actually automatically detect what type of product or category it fits in. So we say ebook, right? Ebook sample. There you go. And then, of course, you need to add your description. So insert copy of ebook type or something, right? And as you can see, it's not really showing anything. Okay, there you go. As I was just saying, Metafield 3 ebooks in books, right? There you go. Of course, you need to add price. For example, you want to press it at 1,000, and then quantity. You could just add however many you have, and since this is ebooks, it could be just pretty much infinite, right? And here you want to disable or untick the physical product, because this is not a physical product. This is pretty much going to be a soft copy, mostly a PDF, right? So there's no physical product involved, and it's gonna make it easier, streamlined for your sales. And after that, all you need to do is click on save like so, and that's it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.